So I was in the middle of a design when I got that message, and so I had to take off my hoop, and so now I put my hoop back on, and I want to backspace just a little bit because my it was in the middle of stitching, and so what I'm gonna do is backspace enough. It looks like it got, so I was stitching over here and then it moved over here. It started stitching and then it stopped. So you can see that where this is, there's really no stitching there. So I'm gonna move all the way back to here and then forward it back one stitch to get it back here and get it back lined up where it was when it stopped. So to do that, you want to click on this plus or minus. When you do that, you have the option to back up either a full thread color or a full thread step by using these thread spools, and I don't really want to do that. I want to do this gradually, and so I'm going to use minus 10, I think, at first. That's going to back it up 10 stitches, and then maybe I'll use minus 1 until I get where I need to go. So I'm going to start with minus 10. Okay, so that's not where I want to go, so I'm going to do minus 1 a couple of times. I might need to do another minus 10. Let's see. Okay, so now you can see that it's back to where my dotted part of my eye was, and so now I need to advance it just one stitch, which will take it back to where it had started to stitch when it stopped. So I'm going to now come over here and do plus 1, and I'll let you watch and see what happens. I'm doing plus 1 a few times. There we go. And so now that means after the dot on the eye, it moved over here and then it started stitching and then it didn't finish. So I'm going to now hit OK and then lock. And let's hope that this is going to fix the problem. If it doesn't, then my next step in troubleshooting will be to change the needle. Okay, so let's see what happens. So let's go back again, lock, and go. Okay, seems to be working perfectly now, so that was the step that I needed to take.